Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 4th of November. I'm up in the Tikawiti today. I'm heading through to Waitomo now to pick some clients up. It's just before 7 o'clock. They're doing a blackwater rafting trip this morning and some of them are doing a glowworm caves trip. I've arrived in Waitomo. I'm about 10 minutes early, which is awesome. I like to be early. So I'm going to head round and pick the guests up in about 10 minutes or so. I was hoping to get a cup of coffee before I pick them up, but everyone's still closed. It's that early. It is just starting to rain, unfortunately. So hopefully by lunchtime when they're finished their cave trips, the rain's eased off because we're doing a bit of an outside half-day tour this afternoon. Back in Waitomo now, transfers went really well this morning. Everyone got to their destination on time as scheduled, so everything was awesome. I'm going to head into the coffee shop now. I need a coffee. I haven't even had one yet today, so that is my priority.
How's it going?
Good, mate.
Wait a sec.
Yeah, no stress.
One of those ones.
See how we got on.
Yeah. It's a triple shot.
Thank you.
How's that one?
Dropped these guys off at blackwater rafting. I dropped my ACC transfer at the
both of them, 2 and 1, mate. You're like it.
Yeah. So I've got to go and pick him up at 10 o'clock, get him back to Pew Pew, and then back to
Blackwater
at 11:30 to pick them up. I'm in Waitomo now at the pools. We're picking up our client from his physio session. He should be out in the next few minutes and we can get him back through to Pew Pew. Everything's going to schedule today. It's going really well. And I'm back in Pew Pew. We just dropped our client off down the main street. He's got a few bits and pieces to get. I'm going to race back to the Big Apple now to pick our clients up from their blackwater rafting trip. While I drive through there, we'll check in with Leonie and see how she's getting on in Taranaki.
I spent the morning in the office taking bookings and answering email inquiries. And now I'm going to head outside and enjoy the lovely spring weather we're having today. I've got a bit of a sore back today and my hip is playing up. I've got arthritis and I'm not even 40 yet. But I'll see what I can get done outside. I've got a few bits to do in the garden. Harley, where are you? I can see some red shorts. Harley's up in the tree over there. And he's having fun outside. Hey, Sassy Pants. Hey, Simba. Hey, babies. The first job I need to do is find some seedlings from this big, beautiful horse chestnut. Our neighbour wants to get some going and plant them out over the farm. So I'm going to see how many I can find for her today, hidden in the garden around it. There we go. They can live under the trees here until they're big enough to plant out. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 16. That should keep her going for a while. This garden's coming along nicely. Everything's growing. Can't wait to get some produce.
And I'm back at the Big Apple. I've got about 20 minutes to spare, which is awesome. Just waiting for our clients to come back. So I'm going to head in now and see if I can find me a cup of coffee. It's going to be a long afternoon, I think, so we'll see what we can track down in here. Just had some lunch at Waitomo village. I'm just waiting for the clients now to finish their lunch. Then we're going to head out towards the coast to have a look at some waterfalls. Should be a good afternoon. Right, I'm back at Waitomo village. This camera is very nearly flat. Got all our clients dropped off, picked up 2 extra ones, brought them out to the guest lodge. I'm heading back to Tikawiti now. We're going to load up all our gear at Leonie's mum's, head back to mum's, pick up a bit of gear that's Kira's, and then make our way back to Taranaki and at some stage have some dinner. I'll try and get this camera. And we're back at the house. I'm unfortunately down to cell phone because everything else is flat. So we'll get this van unloaded, get inside and get stuck into some edits. It's going to be a late night by the looks.